Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write a full YouTube script using Chatsonic AI in 2025. So whether you are creating faceless videos, tutorials, or storytelling content, this tool can actually help your script faster and smarter. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come at Chatsonic.com and then log in into your account. This way, you will be able to access Chatsonic tool. Now, once you are on this type of dashboard, you need to start typing the prompt, which should be clear and it should be specific. So over here, you can type something like this, like you can write a 2-minute YouTube script on the topic and keep it engaging and friendly. So once you have entered the prompt, you need to press enter and let Chatsonic generate a structured script with intro, body and outro that is ready to record and edit. So you can customize the tone and the format here. If the first draft doesn't feel right, you can provide these formats and these types of prompts, like make it more casual, or you can add a call to action in the end, or you can even rewrite the intro to be more attention grabbing. You can also request the different types of lengths for short form, for the long form videos, or voiceover styles. If you want to add any visual cues over here, you can provide a different prompt for it, and the prompt that I can give you is this: add scene suggestions or visual descriptions for each section of the script. So this particular prompt is useful for editing or planning the animations, b-rolls or faceless video content. So after typing this prompt, simply press enter and let Chatsonic actually generate the responses for you. Now, once you are happy with its responses, you just have to copy that particular response which you want to use in your YouTube videos, and then you need to paste it in your video editor or teleprompter application or Google Docs for production. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.